At first we have to click on this PC. There you can see this type of option, but still from Windows 7 to Windows 10 you will see this type of options. There you can find the option is manage. We will click on manage. Then you will see this type of screen will appear on your desktop. So what we have to do? We have to find the option of storage. Here is the option storage. Okay, so we will click on disks management. Okay, let's click on that. Yeah, here you can see that your disk partition, storage partitions, like here you can see Windows C, there is the D, and this volume is E, and the next two options you know that it's for our operating system, so let's not talk about that. Now what I'm gonna do, that this is one of my folder, volume of my disk. Name is new volume E. Okay, I can change the name also from here. Properties. Here I can change the name. Only I will see that this is called E. Okay, now it's E. Okay, so we can write whatever we want, and you can see here there is 150 GB unallocated space. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, that I will create a disk partition like etc. There will be the name whatever, FGH, whatever. So I'm gonna create a space. So what do I have to do? Right click on that, then click on new simple volume, then next. Here you will see the specification of my space, that is 51,200 MB. Okay, so 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. Okay, so we'll click on next. We can choose our name, whatever it is. I will click on M. Next, whatever it is, just let it be. Then next, finish. Now you will see a volume has been open, and there is a volume we can see from here. If we go my computer, we will go on this PC. Here you can see, guys, that here we have 4 partitions, but on first we had 3 partitions, C, D, E. Now we made the new volume is called M. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, that I will merge this and this. Okay, 50 GB, 50 GB. I will merge, and I will create a new partition with 100 GB. Let's go here, then just right click on that, then delete volume. Yes, it's deleted. You can see now it's unallocated. Now in similar way we will do delete volume. Yes. Now you can see there is a space has been created, 100 GB, which is unallocated. It's not created. You can see from here. You can see here you have only 2 partitions. Okay, so let's make a partition with 100 GB. New simple volume. Next, just keep as it is. Next, we can choose any of the name. Let's it be E. Next, finish. Now you can see that it's created a new volume called E. Now you can, if you go to my computer, there you can see that it's created a value, new volume. It's called E with 100 GB. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, that I will create another partition without delete this partition. Okay, so what I have to do, just think it's a 50 GB, sorry 100 GB, and I will create a 50 GB and another 50 GB without delete this partition. So let's right click on here, because if you can see there is 100 GB new volume E. Click on sync volume. Here you can see one page is appear. Here if you see that there have the 100 GB space is located 102400, but available size after taking operating system's space 99277. So what I have to do, I have to put the MB of 50 GB. So actually I am very low in math, so I have to calculate. Go to calculator, then I will calculate 50 into 1024, because 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB is equal to 5120. So I will put this number here, 51200, and I will click on sync volume. Now you can see that we have already break and the 50 GB and 50 GB, and it's unlocated. Just create a new volume 50 GB. Right click on here, new simple volume. Next, I can choose the name. Next, finish. Now you can see it's formatting and it's created. Now if we going to my computer, you can see here we have now two volume 50 and 50. Thank you. If you get some knowledge from this video, please do like and share, and please do a comment, because I am new. So please, I will come with a next video.